Hello Capricorn, how are you? This is your July 2020 love readings. Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. So I've shuffled these cards and we'll pick up 5 cards and see, what your love situation is during this month. So we have 10 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the Star card. So we start 10 of Pentacles. It seems that Capricorns, I do remember the last reading, lot of heartache, lot of heartbreaks for some of us. I mean, I'm also a Capricorn, but I just so that has been so the focus now for some of you has been to reach this situation like wherein you are want to lay a strong financial foundation for you. So maybe love has taken a back seat for some of you, and you are concentrating towards financial abundance, for financial prosperity. Also it could be that because you have seen so much of a heartache, it's very scary to fall in love again and again for some of you, and you're tired of heartbreaks, and you have put your all your focus into earning money, and maybe you're concentrating on your career and business. So this is what I get. Then you have the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups, like I think for some of you, maybe in your relationship there is still something hidden. There may be, you need to take that rosy tinted glass through which you are seeing your love situation, and the picture might be something else. It could be like an illusion for you, which you are not aware about the correct situation, or it is not clear. So you are in an illusion world. Also, that this is one story. So in this you need to just remove your rosy tinted glasses and see the reality, to do a reality check. And for some of you, because you have fallen in love, you want to be in that state of illusion and feeling, happy, good, and, trying to manifest, be flying in the air and feeling lighter, and, feeling of love. So it's like the card of illusion. Then we have the Seven of Pentacles. I feel because it's a love reading, some of the Capricorns, have worked hard a lot, and you have been trying to work hard on your relationship. But maybe the other side is not making an effort. They are colder towards you. They are they do not feel the same as you do feel for them. So sometimes, when you're working, maybe it's only one sided. It's only you give and they are the takers. So for some of you, it's like the feeling of confusion, feeling sad, feeling heartbroken is there, and you sometimes wonder whether you should work on this relationship or not still. So it's a card of not knowing what to do, feeling stuck, with the Seven of Pentacles card here. And I feel, because in this case, they could be like, you are also, you love the person, but you find them cold and detached from you, for some of you. So that also makes you wonder whether, you want to really work hard on this situation. Is it worth working on this situation, love situation? And this is it. Then you have this Wheel of Fortune. So for some of you, things are changing. Maybe some of you are coming out of a toxic relationship, or for some of you, maybe a new love situation coming. Single Capricorns, maybe there is chance of new love coming in for you, and those who are single, and things are changing in your relationship. maybe the ones, it could also mean that there could some, usually your wheel of fortune is a positive card showing, the better times coming than your previous. So those who had a fallout, for those whose relationship has not been working great, its change is coming this July, maybe the after retrograde. On 13th July, the Mercury retrograde gets over and starts resume its forward motion. So I feel from that time, the picture will be clearer and a new life cycle for you might start for some of you. From what I get into these messages, because there is a third party situation also for some of you. Maybe you're having an affair with a person who's already married or engaged, or has a contract as a live-in partner. So for some of you, it could be also that X is coming back, because retrograde season usually X resurface, and there could be a reconciliation with them, and the relationship could go to the next level. I mean, next level in that it will be carried forward, from where they left, with a new energy, with a refreshed energy. One thing which I would like to say, that do not take any haste or impulsive decision on a new love situation, or also an existing one till the retrograde. Also, avoid new relation, new love till Mercury retrograde if possible. The fifth card is the Star card. For some of you, there is a wish granted. You were trying to manifest a person into your life, and that person is coming to you. Maybe it could be an ex or a new love, but this is a Star card, a wish that you were wanting to happen. And for some of you, you are getting this your desirable person into your lives. So this card is a very positive and beautiful card. Now we have one more card with the bottom of the deck. Ten of Swords. The Ten of Swords, it's basically card for those who have had fallout in their relationship, and they have gone the maximum hurt now, and it couldn't get much painful than this. So it's basically asking people or situation which is totally fallen apart, and it's drifted, and you are in the most hurt situation. A new cycle is coming with either wheel of fortune too. So a new cycle is coming for some of you, and you should go with the flow. Do not resist what is do not resist it. So go with the flow, and definitely this card is like the end of your hurt and sufferings for some of you. So this is what Capricorn I have for you. So see you in the next reading, and if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.